Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be replacing the rear brake discs and brake pads on an Audi A6 C5. As you can see, I've purchased Techstar brake pads and brake discs. First, I'll jack up the car and remove the wheel. Once the wheel is off, I need to take off the brake caliper. To do this, I'll use a 13mm wrench to unscrew the two bolts holding the caliper in place, one from the top and the other from the bottom. After that, I can remove the brake caliper. I'll gently wiggle it out, set it aside, and make sure to secure it properly. As you can see, one brake pad is completely worn out while the other isn't. Most likely this is because the caliper piston wasn't functioning correctly. I've already refurbished the caliper in a previous video, showing how to do it. Now I want to replace both the brake pads and the disc with new ones. I've taken out the old brake pads and now I need to remove the brake disc, but it might be stuck. I'll carefully tap it with a hammer to loosen it. I've removed the brake disc and now I'll install the new one in its place. Notice that the brake disc has been treated with a special solution, so there's no need to wipe it with a cloth. Also, avoid touching the working surfaces with your fingers. Next, I'll install the new brake pads. I'll remove the stickers from them and apply some copper paste to the surfaces where the pads slide. I want to draw your attention to the fact that since both the pads and disc are new, the caliper won't fit over them, so I'll have to screw the caliper piston back into place. As you can see, the brake piston has recesses where you can use a special tool to screw it back into the caliper. For instance, I'm using a regular wrench from a grinding tool and gradually screwing the piston back. Once the pads and caliper are in place, I won't forget to install the new bolts for the guides, which are sold together with the brake pads. I'll make sure the brake pads don't touch the brake disc, and then I'll put the wheel back on and take it for a test drive. I've completed the test drive, and as you can see, the brake disc is already starting to wear in. As you can see, nothing too complicated. Take care of your cars and subscribe to my channel. See you later.